We'll stop down here and talk to our friendly neighborhood Department of Public Safety officer. See if he done something about that boat. How you doing? boat exit. And according to Officer Davis, they are here. And they got the trailer all tore apart. And they just acted stupid. And if he catches them at the right place, he's going to throw them in jail. And the boat's still there. Trailer full of scrap is gone. Oh yeah, that's a damn different trailer now. Damn, they got it loaded up totally different. Jesus. I don't think they make a pintle hooch good for 15,000 pounds, do they? There's the second-hand dummies again. Let me back up here. There we go. Yep, they own a different trailer now. But look at the bend in that trailer. Good God. Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look and see. Yeah, I chopped the trailer up again. I guess that instant foam they had must have just fixed everything right up. Yeah, and fresh welds right there. Fresh welds. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a sweet looking strap there. Look at this piece of crap. That's one of them Home Depot specials. Somebody been writing all over the boat. People been going by, autographing it. Look at that. 2-inch strap, not even tight. Here's the thing. See this board right there? I'd like to hit a dip in the road, have that thing come out, fly up in the highway. That would go through the windshield of a minivan and kill anybody it hit. It'd take their head clean off. Oh, that's custom ass bracing right there. But that's not where it's going to bend. Yeah, they cut that old other hitch off and put this thing on. Anybody need a free jack? Look at this mess. So now they've got this whole boat, the whole thing, being held up with that 4-inch piece of steel and that ball. That's it. That's a trailer toter. Yeah. Custom wiring. You know he's just going to hook a battery up to that thing like they did last time. Yeah, if these boards come out from under there, if one of these boards come out from under there, look at them. That's going to kill somebody. I mean, that strap right there isn't even enough to hold that prop. Imagine, that's all solid brass and steel. That thing's probably got to weigh, I don't know, a couple 100 pounds. That flies off of there. mean, there's a whole lot of ifs. I mean, these straps ain't even legal. Got everybody looking. The straps are not even legal. That thing's cut 50% of the way through. That's cut right there. It's tire chalk, free tire chalk. The thing is that is a different strap on this side than it is on this side. So I wonder if they're tied together up top. Let's just go see. No, they're held down at the tie down points on the corner. You can't really see them from here, but there's anchors like you tie it to the dock. That's what they got them tied to. But yeah, they've cut the trailer up again. I don't have a marker on me either. I got an ink pen though. How funny is that? That way when you see it in impound, you'll know I've been here. You know, I'm really curious. They're not even tied down. They've got this 2-inch strap holding them together, but as far as having anything tied down, they don't. I mean, why waste your money with this hunk of shit? Honest. It's a Hatteras boat, which I don't know if it's a good boat or bad boat. But I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing is junk. They've patched a hole in it with silicone. See the bend in this trailer. It's got a bend in it. Everybody go bombard this girl's email address. babydoll.clown@aol.com. Pale City. Tristan Gossett, Holly Gossett, Pale City.